Hey, what's up everyone? It's Mark with M2M Detail. If you're watching this video, you probably are thinking about buying a pre-cut paint protection film kit on our website or the eBay channel. So today I'm just gonna show you what you guys are gonna be receiving in the package, how to mix up your slip solution, and just walk you through it real quick. So we'll put these to the side real quick, guys. And first things first, it'll be rolled up, some bubble wrap in the box, of course. Throw that behind us, we don't need that one. So right here we do have a trunk entrance. So this goes on back of your tailgate right before the trunk opens up on the bottom so you don't damage your paint. They will be weeded out, so the only thing that's gonna be on the material itself will be your cut. Sometimes there'll be sensors and stuff, emblems, sometimes we weed them out depending on what you guys prefer. Sometimes we leave them in there if you guys want to leave it in there and see how you guys want to do it. For front bumpers on sensors, we try not to cut them out because sometimes when you cut the sensors out, it's harder to install. And for you guys installing at your house, it'd be a lot easier if you just had the bulk roll with the sensors not cut out and then you just cut out a circle once you have it installed. So first things first, let's go into our slip solution. And this is what you guys are going to have to do to install the product. So grab a bottle. You're gonna use Johnson baby shampoo like this, and we're just gonna do 1, 2, and then fill the rest up with water. And that'll be your slip solution. If you're using like a 16-ounce bottle, a little bit smaller than this, maybe just 1 squirt would be good. So that'll be your slip solution. For Tack, if you're using on black paint, you guys most likely want to use hot water. Don't use the alcohol. You can get distortion in the film underneath where the adhesive is. So for black vehicles or headlights and stuff, most of the time we like to use hot water for tacking solution. And all you do is with the hot water, you're just gonna spray in there, wipe out the slip solution, and then squeegee it down, and that's gonna help it tack faster and not have to lift up or fingering. If you do have fingers, this will help tack that down so they're not keep popping up. For the alcohol side, so you can also use this for tack solution. We just don't suggest it on black or headlights and stuff. You would just go like this, pour like that. So right there for 16 ounces, and we'll fill the rest up with water. You kind of want 20% of alcohol compared to water, and we're using isopropyl 70% from Target right here. So the rest of this will be filled up with water, and that will be your other tack solution option. So guys, just want to give you a little walkthrough how to do the slip solution and tack solution and what works best for your vehicle. And I appreciate you guys buying from the website and the eBay channel. Hopefully this helps you guys out to install at your house. Check out our other videos, how to install paint protection film. We have a bunch. We got front bumpers, headlights, you name it, how to remove it. So there's a bunch of videos on that. If that will help you guys out installing at your house, check them out. Please like and subscribe. And this is Mark with M2M Detail. Mark out.